in the second quarter. Here he is on the drive. An off-balance jumper off the glass, plus the foul. That's good. On the other end, Norman Powell and the Toronto Raptors, still decimated by injuries themselves. Powell Euro-stepping his way to the hoop. Juan Toscano-Anderson to Steph for three. And then Terrence Davis. Look at him flying through the air for the big facial on Marquise Chris. That is filthy. And Terrence Davis letting the San Francisco faithful know all about it. Now watch this from Steph. We have missed this over the last few months. Shot clock winding down. Why not? Steph ends up with 11 points, 4 assists in 14 minutes in the first half. But Powell had 23 in the first half. Driving to the bucket right there, he was 9 of 14 through 2 quarters. Toronto led 62-55 in the third. Curry pump faking and knocking down a baseline jumper. He was 3 of 12 from beyond the arc, including that one plus the foul. Count it, says Steph. And then off the turnover, Golden State going to narrow the gap even more. Damian Lee leading the charge, lobbing it to Chris for the alley-oop. It's 83-82 Raptors in the third. Still in the third quarter. Pascal Siakam nearly falling before passing it out to Norman Powell for three. He tied a career high with 33 on that shot. He went for a career high 37 in the ball game. Andrew Wiggins corner three. It's back to a 1-point game. And then OG Anunoby with a slam. Serge Ibaka back in the lineup for Toronto on Thursday. The baby hook. And then Kyle Lowry, who had 26 points and 10 assists. Off balance lay-in makes it 113-104. Steph, though, coming up with the rebound. And he's going to keep this one himself in transition and gets the reverse. He had 23 points in 27 minutes. Wiggins had 21 points. Here he is again in the corner for three. And it's back to a 2-point game with 90 seconds to go. Pascal Siakam was just 5 of 17 from the floor in this one, but he had a couple of huge buckets down the stretch. 121-113, Toronto wins it, joins Milwaukee